Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll be able to see how we can add and remove favorites in Power BI dashboards. We'll also show where the Information tab can be located as well. This video is mainly for consumers. To add a favorite from our Power BI homepage, we'll go to Apps. Then, for these tiles, we can mark anyone we want as a favorite by clicking the star icon here. All favorites are marked by a black star icon. Clicking on favorites, we can remove any favorite we want by clicking on the black star icon here. To get to the Information tab on any Power BI dashboard, we'll click on the button located here. This will take you to the Information tab in which you can see the report description, definitions, audience, and more. Feel free to use the Information tab in each Power BI dashboard to help you better understand the dashboard.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.